welcome back, guys. Another video on how to use JavaScript. So in this lesson, we will learn together what does it mean comparison in JavaScript, relation operators as well. So let's start together. Right, this is our file. So index.js. So we will make some tests. So yeah, in the first command, for example, we will make comparison and relational operations like so. Okay, so we will begin by a constant a equals to 10 to 30, for example. Another constant b, for example, equals to 20, like so, or 40. Okay, for now we will make the console. We will make a, for example, or we will test if a equals to b. So let's refresh and see together. False, because they are not equal. Okay, it's so simple. We will make a command not equal to make some clarification. All right. We'll move to another example if you want. Okay, so we will update b equal to 30. So for now they are equal. The result is true, like so. Okay, 30 equal to 30. Okay, it's so simple. Let's focus to understand more and more. For now, we will update those two values to strings. A equal to A, B equal to B. Let's represent T. Also, it's true. All right. So they are equal. So yeah, we'll change equal to capital letters A. So for now, the result is false because small a is not equal to capital letter A. Okay. Good job. We make some update and make some clarification. Okay, for now, we'll make the operation like so. It's true. I'm making 30 as a value and 30 as a string. So yeah, the result is true. First of all, we will compare the value only. So yeah, for this, the result is true. Okay, we'll make another console log if you want. If a 3 equal to b, so normally it will compare the value and the type of those constants. Okay, this is the differentiation between 2 equal and 3 equal. Okay, let's refresh and see together on the console. The result is false because the value is equal but the type is not equal. The b is a string but the a is a value number. Okay, we are making some comments to make always some clarification to understand more and more together. So yeah, let's go forward to make another console.log. If a not equal to b, okay, so yeah, we'll make the command like so, compare value only. So yeah, okay, let's refresh and see together on the console. Okay, it's false because I believe so. Yeah, it's false. The result is false. Comparing if a is not equal to b, so it's not equal because if you compare, for example, the value, so they are equal. So yeah, make another console.log. If a not equal to b, so let's see together the result. It's true. So yeah. For now, we are comparing both of the value and the type of a and b. So let's make a small comment, a short comment, sorry. So if we compare the value and type, so normally they are not equal. So yeah. Okay. I hope that you understand more and more. I'm trying to make things understandable and fast. All right. So yeah. You can go further for now to make another console.log test. If we make, for example, A is less than B, we should get the result on the console. It's false because A is not less than B. If we make A is greater than B, so yeah, it's false also. Okay, we can make some logical operation greater than or smaller than if so yeah. For now, if we make A greater than B, it's okay. If we make A greater or equal to B, so it's okay normally. We should get the result. It's okay. On the console, we have also true. Okay. So if we make A is more or equal to B, we should get the result to how it seems. So yeah, normally it's false because A is not equal and or smaller than B. Okay. If we use 30, update 30, 30, it's true because it's equal. So smaller and equal or equal, so it's equal, so the result will be true normally. All right, I hope that you understand more and more. It's so simple.